How to reverse a video on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reverse a video on TikTok. So first thing you're gonna do is go to your TikTok application, then click on profile, then this is one of my videos. Now this is my video. I'm gonna save this video. Now the video is on your phone. Now go to Google, tap reverse video, tap on asgif.com. Now tap on choose file, and I'm gonna choose video, and I'm gonna take this video. Now upload video. Now tap on reverse video. And this is it. This is how you reverse your video. Hope you like this video. If it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.